And I saw not people of real estate, I saw people who had a real dream for people. That means not the type of guy who want to make a big operation, take a big marge, the fastest possible, put in the pocket and live in Puerto Rico. I saw guys who love their island, their country, and who want to make something well done. And me, I love things well done. And that's why I love them, and I never was disappointed with them. Because it was long, difficult, but always there was intelligence, open mind. I am not so easy to work, because I'm a little obsessed. He was speaking about cars. Yes, I hate cars. I hate cars. He's very polite, you know, this guy's engineer, good family, not me. And me, I am not so polite, and he said we have to make a car disappearing. I don't say that. I said, I want kill cars. I want no cars, I want kill all the cars. And always, like he said, they always find a solution. And that means it was a real hard work, but a real pleasure to work with these people. I repeat, it's very, very important. You know, if there is not elegance, love, tenderness, vision, honesty at the beginning of the project, and during all the process, at the end, there is not elegance, happiness, love and tenderness. And what we want to give here? It's not a hospital, it's not a highway, it's not a military base, it's a place to make people happy. That's why we have to protect this. This, I think I shall come back. I'm sorry, it's the first time I speak about this project. That means a little mix like that. The second love affair is with the sea. When I was 17, I was in a very hard school of sailing, and I had a specialty which was to teach every day rescue to people. That means every day I make boats sinking and bring back people and help them to survive on the sea, on the rough sea, and the Atlantic, big waves, cold and things like that. That means me, I teach by the, I learn by the hard way. What is sailing, what is boat, what is the sea. Since this time, I love boat. And we live with my wife always the closest possible of a boat. In Paris, we had a boat at 5 meters on the River Seine, it's rare. We live in, tonight we shall be in Venezia, where we live in a small island, because we have my boat and the boat of my wife at 3 meters in front of the house. In Formentera, it's the same thing. We live on boat. I cannot survive without the sea. And I have only small boat. I design mega yacht for other people, but me, I have small boat because I won't be always with a minimum between me and the waves. I love waves. And sometimes I am dreaming about buy perhaps a bigger sailing boat and cruise with my wife in all Mediterranean and things like that. And always I said, yes, I can design. I have designed for me a bigger boat to live on. But always I said to my wife, but to go where? To go where? Because when I am in my small island of Formentera, when I see people from the boat arrive at night, they don't know where to go. They go to the first pizza, which is terrible, all frozen, and that's all. That means they work all their life to buy the dream of their life, a beautiful boat, and finally to spend every night in a frozen pizzeria. And I said, we shall be the same, you know, with the paint white, perfectly clean, and like that, completely lost. I saw a lot of harbor. They are all horrible. And there is worse than harbor. There is marina. Marina, for me, it's exactly a car parking lot. You just change the car by boat, same thing. All these boats are terrible, made of white plastic. That means for me it's a nightmare. I don't want to buy a boat because I don't want to go to this harbor. And it's sad, because I come back on this guy, or this woman, but mainly it's a guy thing, who have worked all his life for his child dream.